channel. If you're new, I'm Pratiksha Moitra Chakraborty and you're watching my channel Karubaki. So do you have an empty glass bottle like this in your house and maybe you're wondering how you can transform this into something creative? Then all you need is Fevicryl 3D outliner and some acrylic paints. So are you wondering how? Then in this video I'm going to share with you exactly that. So now without any further ado, let us begin with our video. loving the outcome. I mean, just look at it. Isn't it looking so pretty? I'm totally in love with it, and I'm sure I'm going to use it like a flower vase or something, or at least I'm going to place it somewhere so that people can come and watch it all the time. So I hope you have liked this video. If you do, then you know what to do. Just hit the like button and let me know what you felt about it in my comment section below. And also, if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, then you can just feel free to ask them to me in my comment section as well. I would love to help you guys. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel guys, then please do go and subscribe and hit the bell icon, because it is totally free. And do not forget to press the all option so that you can get the notification of me uploading any new video on this channel at the very earliest. So what are you waiting for? Just go and subscribe. So I will be seeing you very soon with another new video. Till then, bye bye and stay creative.